morning to all of you dear students. Today I'll explain to you tricks for solving time and work questions. Let us see basics of time and work. In time and work, how much time people take to do a work is nothing but the time. For example, time taken is given in days. How much work they are doing also will get. That is, one work is done or half work is done or 3/4 of the work is done like this. If you say the basics, suppose A completes 1/3 of the work. How much work is remaining means remaining work will be 3 minus 1, 2/3 of the work. A completes 2/3 of the work means remaining work is 3 minus 2, 1/3 of the work. Okay, this is how to see the remaining work. Now, dear students, hope you understood. Now, let me continue. Let us see. First one is this. A can do a work in suppose 10 days. B can do the same work in suppose 15 days. So A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 15 days. A plus B, if they do together, in how many days they will complete the work. Now A can do a work in 10 days, B can do it in 15 days. So automatically, if A and B together will do the work, it must be less than 10 days because A only alone can do it in 10 days. When B is joining A, it will take less than 10. So let us see the trick. The trick is nothing but if A can do a work in 10 days, B in 15 days, A and B together is 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15. That is equal to 150 by 25. If we just cancel it, 5 3 is 5 is 6 days. So A and B together can do the work in 6 days. So A can do work in 10 days, B in 15 days. Means A plus B will do it in how many days if they ask. You can go for the shortcut. A can do it in 10 days, B in 15 days. A plus B will do it in 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15. Hope you understood this one. Let us see one more of the same type. A can do a work in 30 days. B can do it in say 60 days. A and B together will do it in how many days? A plus B will do the same work in how many days if they ask? That is 30 into 60 by 30 plus 60. That is nothing but 30 into 60 by 90. That is nothing but 33 is the 90, 320 days. Hope this is clear. Let us see one more question. Okay. Now, A plus B can do a work in 35 days. Suppose A plus B can do a work in 35 days. A alone can complete the work in 60 days. So, A plus B together can do a work in 35 days. A alone will do it in 60 days. Means, the question is, B alone will do the work in how many days? So A plus B together will do work in 35 days. A alone will do it in 60 days. B alone will do it in how many days? So if you get such a kind of question, directly taking A plus B, if I go for A plus B minus A, I'll get B. That means I have to go for subtraction here. A plus B minus A equal to B. So that is nothing but 35 into 60 by 60 minus 35. That is equal to 35 into 60 by 60 minus 35, 25. Any cancellations are there we can do. 5 12s are 60, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 12 7s are 84 days. Hope it's clear what we are doing. A plus B can do a work in 35 days, A alone 6 days, B alone will do it in how many days, means from A plus B I have to remove A. That's why what I am doing is A plus B minus A I am going to do here. That I am doing in a trick, that is shortcut, 35 into 60 by 60 minus 35. That is equal to 84 days. Now dear students, if you see the first question again, that is A can do a work in 10 days, B in 15 days, A plus B will do it in how many days? Actual process, if you take actual process, okay, same question. A can do a work in 10 days, B in 15 days. So A can do a work in 10 days, B in 15 days is their efficiency. A is doing faster when compared to B because A is more efficient than B. So A will do in one day how much work? 1 by 10. So efficiency of work done are inversely proportional. So work done by A in one day is 1 by 10. Work done by B in one day is 1 by 15. So actual process A plus B. A plus B means 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. That is 30 is LCM. So 10 3 is 15 2 is that's nothing but 5 by 30. That's nothing but 1 by 6. That is equal to 6 days. Why? Because I am taking 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. I am reversing 1 by 6 as 6 days. Hope it's clear. Here also we got the 6 days. I have given a trick 10 into 15 by 10 plus 15. Here is a normal method of how to solve the question, dear students. Let us see in the same way one more. A can do a work in 30 days, B in 60 days. A plus B will do it in how many days? Means 30 into 60 by 30 plus 60. So we have got 20 days. What is the actual process if we take? A can do a work in 30 days, B will do the same work in 60 days, isn't it? A plus B means A in one day, 1 by 30 of the work it will do in 30 parts, 1 part. B in one day it will do 1 by 60th part of the work. Total work 60 days in one day, 1 by 16. 2 days, 2 by 16. 10 days, 10 by 60th part. So 60 is LCM automatically 32 is up plus 61 are that is 3 by 60, 3 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 20, that means 20 days. Here is the actual process, dear students. This is where you have to take the LCM, this and that we can go into shortcut, that is 30 into 60 by 30 plus 60. Hope it's clear for you. Model. Let us see second one, that is A and B can do a work in 35 days. A alone will do it in 60 days. B alone will do it in how many days? A plus B can do a work in 35 days. A alone in 60 days. B alone will do it in how many days? What I am doing is from A to B, we have to remove the A so that I will get B. So here what we are doing, this is a trick because it's a subtraction. 35 into 60 by 60 minus 35, that is nothing but if you solve, I am getting 84 days. Actual, what is the process? Let us see. A plus B can do a work in 35 days. Okay. A plus B can do work in 35 days. A alone will do it in 60 days. B alone will do it in how many days? That's the question now. So what we are doing, A plus B in one day, how much work they'll do? 1 by 35 of the work. A in one day, how much will do? 1 by 60 of the work. So A plus B minus A. A plus B is one day work minus A's 1 day's work. That is called 35 and 60. We have to take LCM now. 35 and 60, what will be the LCM? It's 420. 35 and 60 LCM will be 420. So 35 12s are 420 minus 60, if we take how much? 7s are 6 7s are 42. So 12 minus 1, it is 5 by 420, that is nothing but 420 by 5, we will reverse it because that is 84 days, dear students. That's what we got here also, the same thing. This is shortcut, that is product by difference. This is direct taking the LCM. So for taking LCM for 35 and 60, it's not so easy because 35 If in 60 35 goes, that will be LCM. 60 I'll go with double 120. In 120 35 will not go. Then 120 again I should add 60, 180. So 35 will not go. So like this we have to go on, do or take the LCM. For taking LCM it will take some 15 to 20 seconds. I think this is the easy one, dear students. Hope first model is clear. Thank you.